Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Opera browser across multiple devices, including your PC and phone. This way, you can share tabs, bookmarks, and passwords with ease. Let's dive in. Start by opening Opera. On your PC, in the top right corner, click on the profile icon. That's the one that looks like a little person. Now click Sign in to sync. If you already have an Opera account, go ahead and sign in. If not, click Create an account and follow the steps to register. Once you're signed in, Opera will give you options to sync things like bookmarks, history passwords, tabs, extensions, make. Sure, the options you want are checked. Now switch to your mobile device and open the Opera browser app. Tap the Opera icon at the bottom or top and go to Settings, Sync and Backup. Just like on desktop, sign in with the same Opera account. Once signed in, Opera will automatically begin syncing your data between devices. You can test it by opening a tab on your PC, then go to your phone and check under Tabs. Other devices, you'll see your desktop tab there. Syncing is super useful if you're switching between phone and PC a lot. And that's it! You've now got Opera syncing across your devices. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Drop a comment if you get stuck. Thanks for watching.